And shows us the Good Samaritans from St. Louis.
2045 to San Fernando Base.
St. Louisans Darlene Mitchell and Frederick Meyer are angels who come to the City of Angels to help earthquake victims.
It's just the satisfaction of making someone's day a little bit brighter.
Darlene Mitchell and Frederick Meyer drove this emergency response vehicle all the way from St. Louis to here in Van Nuys, California. It took them 3.5 days. They'll spend another 2.5 weeks here in California working some very long hours.
We start at 5 o'clock in the morning and we quit at midnight at night. So it's a long, hard day, but that grateful feeling when we leave here and drive back to the hotel is what makes it all worthwhile.
The two deliver food and drink to shelter victims. They've already served 900 meals today. In the light of day, they've seen just how badly their help is needed.
I can see a lot of fear in the people's eyes, and then there's been a lot of tremors.
You just, feel sympathy for these people that their houses are destroyed.
And their efforts are greatly appreciated.
I think it's great, because we're a lot of people over here, and people that are from here don't have time for all of us, and we appreciate people coming from other states to help us.
It's just something I enjoy. It's just like I've always thought of being a circle, and every time you give to one person next to you, sometime it'll come back around to you. So someday I may be in need.
And both Meyer and Mitchell volunteered here in St. Louis during the floods. They'll be out in California probably another week and a half. Dick?
That's good.